Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to social class. Standard 9th Geography Unit 7 Mapping Skills. With the map on your hand, one can see the world in one sweep. A map is worth 1,000 words. Mapping skills are the basic to understand a map and to interpret the area depicted. Maps are introduced with its components such as scale, sign, and symbols. Surveying is a process of recording the measurement of a land area. Its outcomes are the day sources of maps. This lesson deals with the latest techniques of mapping, remote sensing, GPS, GIS, global navigation system, and web maps of the 21st century. Map as a tool. A map is a basic tool of your geographer. It illustrates the Earth's surface clearly and effectively through a combination of drawings, words, and symbols. Thus, maps form an integral part of teaching geography. A map is a location guide. Next topic, components of a map. A map should include the following components, namely the title, scale, direction, grid system, projection, legend, conventional signs, and symbols. Title. It indicates the purpose or theme of the map. Example, India, physical, world, political, Tamil Nadu, transport. Scale. Scale makes it possible to reduce the size of the whole earth to show it on a piece of paper. A scale is a ratio between the actual distance on the map to the actual distance on the ground. Scales can be represented in three methods. There are the statement representative fraction and a linear or geographical scale method. The statement scale. The statement scale describes the relationship of map distance to ground distance in words, such as 1 centimeter to 10 kilometer. It is expressed as 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometer. Representative fraction. It describes the proportions or ratio of the map distance to ground distance. It is usually abbreviated as RF. It is stated 1 by lakh or 1:10000. This means that one unit on the map represents 1 lakh of the same unit on the ground. This unit may be an inch or a centimeter or any other linear measurement unit. Linear or geographical scale. In a map, a linear scale is represented by a straight line divided into equal parts, primary and secondary, to show what these making represent on the actual ground. This scale helps in the direct measurement of distance on the map. Direction. Maps are drawn normally with north orientation. North direction in a map is always towards the north pole of the earth. If you position yourself looking at the north pole, on your right will be the east, your left will be the west, and your back will be the south. These four main directions are called the cardinal direction. Direction is usually indicated on a map by a north-south line with the north direction represented by a narrow head. Grid system. The location of a place can be simplified defined by its latitude and longitude. In normal practice, latitude is stated first and then comes the longitude. The latitude and longitude of a place can be expressed in units of degree, minutes, and seconds. Next topic, legend. The legend of a map helps to understand the map details which are placed at the left or right corner at the bottom of the map. Conventional signs and symbols. Conventional signs and symbols are standard symbols used on a map and explained in the legend to convey a definite meaning. The topographic map contains a variety of information about physical and cultural features. There are shown by using signs and symbols in various colors so that the clarity of the map is maintained. There are three types of map symbols: point symbols, buildings, dipping tanks, trigonometrical bagons, line symbols, railways, roads, power line, telephone lines, area symbols, cultivated lands, ponds, orchards, and vineyards. The following color codes are used with the map symbols: brown, land or earth features, the counter lines, erode areas, prominent rocks, outcrops, sand areas and dunes, and second are gravel roads. Light blue, water features, canals, coastal lines, dams, lakes, marshes, swamps and leaves, ponds, rivers and water towers. Dark blue, national gateways. Green, vegetation features, cultivated fields, golf courses, nature and game reserve boundaries, orchards and vineyards, recreation grounds, woodland. Black, construction features, roads, tracks, railways, buildings, bridges, cemeteries, communication towers, dam wells, excavation and mine camps, telephone lines, power lines, wind farms, boundaries. Red, construction features, national, aerial and main roads, lighthouse and marine height. Pink, international boundaries. Conventional signs and symbols: fort, church, pagoda, mosque, temple, post office, police station, rest house, railway station, dry stream, canal, dry river, temporary hut, tower, antiquities, etc. Thank you.